Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing the right brush for the paint you have, synthetic for water-based, natural for oil. Once chosen, dip only 1/3 to 1/2 of the bristles to avoid drips and tap off excess. Make a test stroke on scrap material to evaluate flow and edge control. If the stroke beads, reduce load. If it skips, add a touch more. This quick feedback loop saves time and keeps your first strokes clean and predictable. You should hold the brush at roughly 15 to 30 degrees for the most controlled contact with the surface. This angle helps lay paint evenly. For flat areas, use long, continuous strokes moving in the same direction. For textured or detailed zones, switch to shorter strokes to build up coverage. Make sure to feather the ends and overlap by about 50% to prevent lap marks. Once done with a section, step back and inspect for missed spots. You finish by blending edges and smoothing any brush lines while the paint is still wet, using light, dry strokes to unify texture. Once complete, clean the brush immediately with the correct solvent or water, work cleaner through the ferrule, and reshape the bristles before storing. If bristles splay or the brush drags, rinse thoroughly to remove trapped paint and gently comb the hairs. If damage persists, replace the brush. This routine preserves performance and prevents problems on your next job.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.